Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect with someone on LinkedIn. This is a fundamental skill for building your professional network, whether you're looking to expand your industry connections, reach out to potential collaborators, or simply grow your presence on the platform. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your LinkedIn homepage. This is where all your networking magic happens. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll notice a search bar prominently displayed there. This search bar is your gateway to finding professionals, companies, and content across LinkedIn. It's one of the most powerful tools on the platform for discovering new connections. Next, type in the name of the person you want to connect with into that search bar. It could be a colleague, someone you met at a conference, or a professional you admire in your industry. Once you've typed in their name, LinkedIn will start displaying various results that match your search query. Now, to narrow down these results and make your search more efficient, click on the People filter. You'll find this option typically just below the search bar or in a side menu. Selecting People ensures that LinkedIn only shows you profiles of individuals rather than companies, posts, or groups. This makes it much easier to find exactly who you're looking for. Once the results are filtered, scroll through the list and find the specific person you want to connect with. Take a moment to verify it's the right person by checking their profile picture, job title, or company name. This step is important to ensure you're sending your connection request to the correct individual. When you've located the right person, you'll see a Connect button displayed beside their name. This button is usually quite visible and positioned near their profile information. Go ahead and click on this Connect button to initiate your connection request. After clicking Connect, LinkedIn will send an invitation to that person. Now here's where patience comes into play. You'll need to wait until they accept your connection request or invitation. They'll receive a notification about your request and can choose to accept, ignore, or even send you a message back. Keep in mind that some people check their LinkedIn regularly while others might take a few days to respond. And that's it. You've successfully sent a connection request on LinkedIn. By following these simple steps, you're actively building your professional network and opening doors to new opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.